Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the apps. So after tapping on it you can see the apps on the right hand side. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Right here we have to localize the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see there, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course we can change it, just tap on the switcher, and from now on the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You can also remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.